Okay, let's continue our discussion. We go now to the types of your acid-fast staining. The two most common type is your number 1 and number 2, your Ziehl-Neelsen type, which is also known as your hot method. And the other one is your Quinones cold staining method. Okay, your Ziehl-Neelsen is an acid-fast organism that stain red. Non-acid-fast stain blue, of course. Okay, stain blue due to the color of the counter stain used. While your quinones, which is also known as your cold method, this method uses obviously no steaming kasi nga cold method with anong ginagamit na material? Carbol, fusin, and tergitol. Okay, carbol, fusin, and tergitol instead and it is instead applied for 3 minutes. The decolorizer is, what is the color? Brilliant green. The procedure is of course basically the same with Ziehl-Neelsen. This is the two most common. Other methods that you should know is we have your true ones, Oramine, Rhodamine method. Bakit tinawag na Oramine, Rhodamine? Kasi nga, dalawa ang gagamitin dyan. Two fluorescent dyes are used. Your Oramine, obviously, and your Rhodamine instead of your carbol fusin. The tubercle bacilli glows with what color? Pag ginamit mo yung fluorescent na yan, bright yellow. We have also your Pappenheim method. Okay, your Pappenheim method, okay, make use of a rosolic acid that is added to the alcohol as its decolorizer. This method is used to differentiate Mycobacterium smegmatics, which is blue in color, from Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which is red in color. Okay, remember that your Mycobacterium smegmatis is found commonly in sebaceous secretion of the skin of man, but it is not known to cause any diseases. And your Baumgarten's method. The decolorizer used is alcohol with, anong ginagamit na acid? Nitric acid. It differentiates your Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which is blue in color, from Mycobacterium leprae, which is red in color. Okay? Ito, importante din to. Reaction and appearance of bacteria in Ziehl-Neelsen method, your hot method. If your reagent is a carbol fusin, acid-fast cells stain red. Its reaction, stain, is taken up by the organism and it penetrates your lipid cell wall. Non-acid also stain red. If you use your reagent as your steam, cells remain red, fixes the stain, and aids dye penetration of the cell wall. Cells also remain red if your steaming method is used as reagent. Number 3, your acid alcohol. Again, cells also remain red. Acid-fast remain red, while non-acid-fast fails to retain the color of initial stain and are decolorized. Cells are what color? Colorless. Your methylene blue. Okay, your methylene blue, cells remain what? Red in acid-fast. What would be the reaction? Stain is taken up by non-acid-fast organism. Cells are what? Blue in color. Okay, they are blue in color. So that is about your acid-fast stain.